Hi, this is Niru with Coco Daisy, and I am showing you a process video for one of my layouts done with the memory keeping kit from the month of July called Twinkling of the Tea. So, guess what I'm scrapbooking? A little bit on the nose, I guess, but my daughter's last birthday party was a tea party with her dolls. So these are some of the precious pictures from that party, and I am going to do a grid type layout using 4x6 photos and one of the 4x6 cards from the Documenter kit. And I chose 3 photos, and I really they're pretty colorful because of the party stuff. There's a lot of pink and all. So I chose this black and white card to go with them as a nice contrast, and then there's a white border on the bottom for more embellishments. And the yellow cardstock that you see is just holding everything in place. You're not really going to see the yellow at the end of it, so you could just do anything that you want. It doesn't have to be cardstock, or I don't know, could be something old that you have that you don't need anymore. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm adding a little bit of a border. So I cut out some of the pattern paper from the kit. It's got wood grain on one side and black and white floral on the other. So I cut out little strips of it. To use as the border. And I'm getting a little bit more strips. And these are about 1/2 inch strips, but they're going to be layered, so they're not necessarily going to end up as 1/2 inch. They might be a little bit, some of them be a little bit smaller. That one's a 1/4 inch. So just playing with things, moving it around, getting it the way I like. Just gluing them down now. Decided to do that thicker wood grain on the bottom, as well as the top, and then the thinner floral. And that's the branding strip. Gotta recycle. Gotta love recycling. And another thinner floral strip for the top. So it just mirrors each other. And adding in that. Now working on my title. So one of the best parts of the kit, I think, are these acrylic pieces. And they're totally unique to Coco Daisy. And this one says Teatime, and it's just gorgeous. And I'm pairing it with some of the beautiful die cuts that come in the kit, just to kind of layer and play, make a fun little embellishment area. And I'm just using regular adhesive on the back of the acrylic, and it doesn't show through. You can also get those non-dotted adhesives. Those definitely don't show, but this has been just fine. If they're clear, then you probably do want to get the non-dotted ones. And I fussy cut those butterflies from a different pattern paper from the kit. Just thought they went well with it. And I really like this file tab, and I like adding them to layouts, so I found a spot for it. And now I'm looking to see where I'm going to put my ampersand and stuff. I'm just looking for more die cuts to see what else I want to add to my layout. I really like those daisies. And if I'm going to do hearts, I might as well do 3, right? Just like I did 3 butterflies. I love when I find embellishments that I can layer. And I also love when I have like a straight edge of something floral. So that it creates a space for me to journal or add a title. Still looking for this ampersand, I guess, where it should go. That doesn't work though. On top of the flower does not work. That could work. But I decided to go with like 3 major clusters. And then just adding a little secondary title with some of the puffy stickers from the kit. Just to give the ampersand a bit of a purpose and a function. And gluing down those die cuts. And there you go. I added some journaling and it's all done. Hope you like my video.